Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Hi to Jossie!
Hi!
So for today's video, we're going to do a wear test. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time na kasi my god, ang tagal na sa akin na tong dalawang to. These are products from Blair Cosmetics. So nakalagay ito sa bonggang-bonggang sleek black packaging that I lost already kasi nga matagal na sa akin to, and I've been trying it na, ilang beses ko na siyang na-try pero hindi pa talaga ako parang alamin gumagawa ng full review and hindi ko pa talaga siya binabantayan ng bonggang-bongga. So today, yun ang gagawin natin, and sige, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung products. So these are the two products. Dahil nga ang tagal na niya sa bag ko, so medyo hindi na siya ganun ka-sleek and ka-bongga. Pero meron akong IG story nito na nung bagong-bago pa siya. So over here, we have the Blair Cosmetics All-in-One Invisible Cover Foundation for all skin tones. So we have 30 grams of the product. And then sa likod, direction for use, shake well before using, apply all over the face and neck. Use your beauty fingers to blend and reapply if necessary. So nothing too special naman dito sa ano, it's so easy. And over here naman yung Blair Cosmetics na powder foundation, or just the press powder, and with bonggang mirror, and I got the shade medium. So it says here, second skin buildable coverage pressed powder. So it's just a pressed powder. So ito ang i-wear test natin for today. So na-try ko na tong all-in-one invisible cover foundation na manipis lang, as in like parang hindi siya full coverage. Hindi ko pa ginagamit to sa full potential niya. Ngayon ko palang gagawin, ngayon pa lang natin masisilayan. So shake muna daw siya. So sabi dito, for all skin tone siya. So dito sa side na to, gamitan natin ng beauty blender. And so freaking white. So that is the first layer. As you can see, medyo maputi siya sa akin, and hindi pa niya nako-cover yung mga blemish ko. So sa other side, let's try to use our beauty fingers. Oh. Hey guys, so it's been 10 minutes since I applied my foundation. Nakapagbalita na ako sa MOR, and eto, nagawa ko na yung kilay ko. Okay, so first things first, ang sasabihin ko is, I like the consistency of this foundation. I mean, medyo tacky siya. Pero kapag nilagay mo siya sa ano mo, hindi naman siya malagkit. And then yung coverage niya is light to buildable medium. Hanggang medium lang siya, guys. Hindi siya full coverage, I'm telling you. Kaya sigurong i-push to full coverage, pero alam mo yon, it's gonna be cakey na talaga. So masasabi ko hanggang medium lang siya. And maganda yung finish niya actually on my skin. Medyo dry pa naman yung skin ko ngayon, and okay naman yung finish niya sa akin. But the problem is, it says here for all skin tones, and that's sad. Kasi hindi ko alam kung napapansin nyo sa camera, pero in person, aputi niya. Aputi. And given na 10 minutes na siya, I was expecting na it's gonna oxidize, even if a little bit. It did, pero alam mo yun, maputi pa rin siya sa akin. So I think ang makaka-appreciate ito is yung merong fair to light to pale skin tones. Pero kung morena ka, magagamit mo to, pero lalagyan mo pa siya ng, magagamit ka ng bronzer, and lalagyan mo pa siya ng, let's say, for example, this one, this is a tinted primer. So ito, ginagamit ko talaga to kapag meron akong foundation na medyo maputi para sa akin, or alam mo yun, nag-swimming ako, umitim ako, so yung foundation ko na natural skin tone ko, hindi ko magamit, tilalagyan ko nito para bumagay sa skin tone ko, para bumagay sa tan skin ko. Pero alam mo yun, so kailangan mo pag gumamit ng ganito para ma-achieve yung color for you. So I just hope Blair Cosmetics came up with a lot of shades of this instead of just, you know, for all skin tones. Kasi yung mga morena, kailangan pa nila talaga mag-bronzer and, alam mo yun, gumamit ng mga pangpaitim ng foundation. So, parang magamit nila to. Sayang lang kasi it has a really nice finish. I really like the finish. It's smooth. Tapos parang naka-brighten up siya ng... So, let's proceed with the pressed powder. So, it looks like this. Ang alam ko, 3 ang shades nito. So, yung merong mas dark pa dito. So, yun siguro yung parang bronzer-ish na, alam mo yun, hinahanap natin to complement this foundation. It's been 3 minutes since I applied the powder. Bago ang video. And masasabi ko na I like the pressed powder. It mattified my face and parang feeling ko it solidified the, you know, the foundation I put on. It's a really, really good setting powder. And at the same time, I think it's also a good powder foundation kasi it looks nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish my entire face and then I'll be back. Hi love! I am back and I am done with my entire face. I'm so sorry kung meron kayong naririnig na napakalakas na audio because, you know, ongoing yung programa. And, so this is my entire face. Naglagay talaga ako ng bronzer, guys, because ang white niya talaga for me. Hindi talaga swak yung shade ng foundation. So, magliligpit muna ako and then I'll be back. Hi guys, so I'm back here sa makeup room to give you my first update. It's been already 3 hours since I applied my foundation. So silipin natin. So I have a mirror here. It still looks good actually, in fairness. Pero combination oily kasi ako. Yung T-zone ko, oily. And then yung dito ko is like normal. So, ngayon, nakikinita ko na yung pag-oil up ng nosicles ko. So, ayoko muna siyang i-retouch. Kasi nung nag-traffic report ako kanina, okay pa naman siya on TV. So, ayoko muna siyang i-retouch ng bonggang-bongga. I'll just let it be. Pero the rest of my face, it still looks good. And I'm actually loving it. Dahil nag-bronzer ako, so medyo pumantay na siya sa the rest, sa neck area ko and all that. So yeah, that's it for my first update. I'll be back after a few hours. Hey guys, so I'm here for my second update. I've been wearing this foundation for roughly 7 hours na. And honestly, go oil up na yung T-zone ko, like this area right here, and it always does that. Ganun laki ang foundation sa akin. It's normal. Pero the rest of my face, okay pa siya. Honestly, yung noo ko medyo shiny na siya ng bonggang-bongga. Pero hindi naman chararat. Hindi pa ako nagre-retouch at all sa 7 hours na yon. So, I think it looks good. It looks okay. Pero ito nga nakikita na yung blemishes ko, diba? So, hindi talaga siya full coverage, guys. And then, kapag ka hindi ka nag-retouch ng powder, mag-aano talaga siya. Eventually, alam mo yun, magbe-break dun sa part na may mga blemishes ka kasi nga hindi siya full coverage. So, yep, 7 hours. Oily. Looks like this. But, you know, it's not that like yung really gross oily in person. I'll be back. I'll try to do a third update before my final verdict. Hey guys! I'm home na, and as you can see, I'm about to get ready to shower. So I've been wearing this foundation for close to 11 hours. Yes, God, I look so hagarda versosa. Honestly, the foundation over here is gone. And over here as well. So, medyo nag-fade siya. And take note, hindi ako nag-retouch for the entire day. Walang retouch, ite-chiwa. It's not that bad looking kahit nag-fade siya. In person na. So, masasabi ko na merong limit yung foundation. Siguro, it can last up to 8 hours max. And kailangan mo talaga magbonggang layer ng pressed powder if you wanna prolong the life of your foundation. So, final thoughts na tayo. Unahin natin itong si All-in-One Invisible Cover Foundation. Honestly, yung formula nito, I liked it. I like that meron siyang a little bit of tackiness, kaya alam mo kakapit talaga siya sa face mo para hindi naman siya sticky kapag nilagay mo na. The coverage is light to medium. So ito masasabi ko, pwede mo itong gamitin for, you know, everyday wear. If you're gonna go to the office or if you just wanna look pretty for the day, alam mo yun, kung meron ka lang simple day out. But I cannot recommend this if you're gonna go on a night out or kung pupunta ka ng event because it's not strong enough to hold for, you know, until 12 hours ng pawisin, ng alam mo yon na super palaban yung gagawin mo for the day. I think this is a perfect, you know, simple daily foundation. Lalo na kapag ka, you know, good skin days ka, wala kang, you know, blemishes like I do, like big blemishes like I do right now. And those things are not really negative for me. Ang nega lang talaga para sa akin is the shade. I mean, alam mo yun, marirecommend ko talaga sa inyo to guys. If, you know, my wide variety of shades. Kasi, lalo na sa mga babes natin dyan na, you know, morena, deep skin tone, ang saya sanang ma-experience nyo to. Kaya lang, alam mo yun, hindi nyo to... Honestly, hindi talaga ako naniniwala doon sa anything skin adapting foundation or BB cream. I mean, because ang wide ng, you know, variety ng shades ng mga Pinay or ng women or human in general para masabi mo na one product can adapt to all skin tones. So, I really think this is a good product except for the shade. Ang kinaganda pa nito guys is the price. I think this is $349. Nakita ko kasi may sale from August 3 to 11. So, feeling ko naman ma-up ko tong video na to bago mag-11. So, may chance pa kayo makakuha nito. Pero yung normal price pala niya, if hindi naka-sale, is 499 pesos. That's pretty expensive. You better get this habang naka-sale pa siya. So, next product that we're going to talk about is yung kanilang pressed powder. And you know what, guys? Ko lang nalaman na it has vitamins and sun protection and oil control properties. Yung sa oil control properties, naniniwala ako doon. Try muna natin mag-retouch. So what can I say about this? This I love. Ito super na-impress talaga ako dito because kanina, nung nilagay ko yung foundation ko and then nilagay ko siya on top, parang mas lalong gumanda yung foundation ko, mas lalong gumanda yung finish. It mattified my skin without looking, you know, super plain. I really love the formula, the consistency. It's very thin kapag ka-in-apply mo siya, pero alam mo yun, you feel secure na it provided a little bit of coverage and protection dun sa foundation mo. It really sets your foundation well. So I think mag-work ito sa lahat ng kahit anong foundation that you have. These two are really good combo. Pero kung papipiliin ako, alin yung mas gusto ko sa dalawa, I would definitely go for this. I really love this powder. However, this powder is pretty expensive kasi it's $549. Pero you guys, pumunta kayo sa Blair Cosmetics sa Lazada or sa BT Manila ba yun? BT MNL? I think it's sa Lazada. May mga discounted price. Yan, naka-sale siya sa Lazada ngayon. So, better check it out kung sakaling na-impress ka sa performance ito based on my wear test. Pero, at talaga, super love ko to. Go get this one. Okay guys, so yeah, we are done with the wear test and that's it for today's video. Huwag mo kalimutan na i-follow ko sa Instagram at MOR1019 Bea. That's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!